It's funny how life sometimes feels like a juggling act, where every new problem is another ball tossed into the air. I remember sitting there, already overwhelmed with the plethora of issues demanding my attention. And then, in an almost comedic twist, I decided to track my daily progress with a new tool, another problem to manage. The irony wasn't lost on me. It was as if solving one issue required me to embrace another. But in doing so, I discovered an unexpected lightness, a shift in focus that made everything seem slightly more manageable. From problem overload to new perspectives. There's this peculiar phenomenon I've come to notice. The energy we pour into a single problem can make it larger than life. It's like staring so intently at a small smudge on a wall that soon enough, it feels like the whole room is dirty. When you fixate on a particular snag, it begins to consume your thoughts, amplifying its significance beyond what it initially warranted. But here's where the magic happens. By redirecting your focus onto a new problem, you can diffuse that intensity. I started to see this play out in my life. By consciously choosing to engage with a fresh challenge, I was able to lighten the load of my existing concerns. The shift wasn't about ignoring the old problem, it was about dancing with it differently. That new problem, something novel yet manageable, became a tool for discipline. It created a routine, a habit, that not only diverted my attention but also cultivated a sense of accomplishment. With each day, the former problem lost its grip, merely because my perspective had shifted. The art of embracing flaws. It's a curious thing to realize that what we often label as flaws are just misplaced energies. As someone who habitually finds imperfections, this tendency can feel like a burden. But what if these so-called flaws are actually assets in disguise, waiting to be harnessed for something transformative? When you redirect your critical eye from obsessing over errors to identifying solvable issues, you unlock a new realm of possibilities. Research often misses this subtle art. It suggests that we should eliminate flaws, yet overlooks the power in transforming them. The critical observer within us can be our greatest ally if we let it guide us towards constructive action rather than paralyzing indecision. It's not about becoming less critical, but about being critical in a way that propels us forward. In my journey, I've found that the key is not to shy away from new problems, but to embrace them as opportunities to channel my critical nature. This insight has been revolutionary, not just in how I tackle problems, but in how I perceive them. The act of finding another problem to solve isn't a mere distraction. It's a strategic choice to invest energy in a more fruitful direction. How I turn problems into positive rituals. Now let me share how this shift has become a part of my everyday life. Each morning, I look for a new problem, something small and manageable, yet demanding enough to capture my attention. It might be as simple as organizing my workspace or learning a new skill. This practice has become a ritual, a daily exercise in discipline and focus that redefines how I engage with the world. By doing this, I create a buffer against the weight of existing problems. It's like giving my mind a puzzle that it can solve, providing a sense of control and achievement that spills over into other areas. This approach doesn't eliminate old problems, but reframes them, allowing me to tackle them with renewed vigor and clarity. The beauty of this practice is its simplicity. It requires no grand overhaul, just a commitment to view challenges as stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. And in this way, I've turned what once seemed like an endless list of issues into a dynamic and empowering journey. So next time you find yourself overwhelmed by a problem, try this. Pick a new, manageable issue to focus on. Let it be your grounding point, a way to channel your energy positively. You might find, as I did, that this slight shift in perspective makes all the difference. Life's challenges are inevitable, but how we choose to engage with them defines our experience. By turning flaws into focus, we transform our narrative, finding strength in places we least expected. And in doing so, we teach ourselves that what once seemed like a flaw is in fact our greatest strength.